by and take a look at the 2019 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, dual rear wheels, engine block heater, four-wheel disc brakes, power equipment group, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.